You know, you pay good money to keep your air conditioning inside your house. All the leaks in the holes, that's just lost money. We're gonna simulate a crack in a hole, fill it with this putty, and see if it can withstand the hurricane maker. You get the point. Get all the excess off. Just work it in here. Push it on through. Get a little bit more. It don't really take a whole lot of this stuff, guys. Just work it in there. Hurricane maker. See how it did. It's perfect, guys. So if you live in a town that's got lots of hurricanes, you want to keep your air conditioning inside your house, save some money, fill in the holes, this is perfect. It's no brainer. And it's cheap, guys. It really is. I'll leave the link down below and in the pinned comments if you're on YouTube.